What is up, internet? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to talk about how to actually add tags to your YouTube video. So this is very specific to YouTube, and we are going to use a video that we just exported. So I just exported this video. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube right now, and so I'm going to YouTube, and I'm going to click on. Let me kind of make this. Yeah, there we go. Stop asking me that. Okay, so I'm going to click on create, and then I'm going to click on upload. If you don't know how to get here, let's start there first. So let's say you go to YouTube. You want to make sure that you click on your face, and you can actually do it straight from here. You can click here and actually start uploading straight from here. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go to your channel. You can go to it's actually going to stay up here. Just click on that button right there. It's just a top button. So you'll click on that and click on upload YouTube. So you can drag and drop the files, or you can select the files. So let's go to drag and drop. So I'm going to click on where my video is. So we got episode 2 here, and I'm going to drop that right in here. And that's going to start uploading. The next thing we want to do is figure out our tags. So one of the things that I saw, I think it was, what was it? So I'm going to use TubeBuddy for this. TubeBuddy is going to help us to figure out what our title should be, and also figure out what our tag should be. They'll give us all that stuff. So, so this video is about starting YouTube from scratch. So this is one of the second episodes of starting YouTube from scratch, but I think I want to name it something else because I was able to, when I was searching for that type of video, I think it was like step by step that I wanted to name it. So, so let's go to YouTube again, and I think it was how to start YouTube channel. Was it step by step? I think it was step by step. Let's try that. So let's go to, we're gonna go back to TubeBuddy, right? So I opened up a new YouTube page for that. So I'm gonna search for this and see how this is working. That's fair. Now let's use some of the options they have here. How to start YouTube channel step by step for beginners. Excellent. So we're gonna actually use this, right? So how to start YouTube channel step by step for beginners, and we're gonna take that over here. You know, put that into our, our title, and then we're gonna go down here. You may not know where tags are, so tags are right down here. So you're gonna see more options at the bottom, and that's where you want to click to add tags. I want to click this. It's not made for kids. I want to click on more options, and then right here we can actually add the tags. So now we're gonna go back to TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy just helps you find everything that you need as far as tags and a lot of stuff, and make it a lot quicker. Otherwise, you have to just literally type it in step by step. So we're gonna click on to video tag limit, which basically means it's gonna click on enough tags to get to the limit that it allows you to do. You wanna make sure that you're adding tags to the maximum amount. So we're gonna click on copy to clipboard. So we click action, and then copy to clipboard, and it's going to select those. It doesn't always work the first time, so sometimes I'm gonna it worked that time. Sometimes you'll try to do that and it won't actually copy to the clipboard. You just have to go back and do it again. Click on action, copy to clipboard, and it'll actually do it again. So now we're all set to start uploading and get this up. So it's about 80% right now. I'm going to add some information in the description box, and I'm also going to add a video thumbnail I'll do that later, but I just wanted to give you that quick tip. You want to make sure you're adding tags into your videos. It's super important for you to grow on YouTube. And if you guys have any questions about that, let me know in the description. I keep saying description box lately. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.